Host, ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of sticky notes and to-do lists? Appointments blurring, tasks multiplying, and your brain feels like a cluttered filing cabinet on the verge of collapse? Cut to montage of people scrambling with papers, frustrated expressions. Host, V.O. Yeah, we've all been there. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized can feel like an impossible feat, but what if there was a solution? A digital device specifically designed to capture your ideas, streamline your schedule, and keep you on top of your game? Cut back to Host. Host, enter the Newton. Text overlay, the Newton, is it available in the USA? Host, this innovative PDA, or personal digital assistant, took the world by storm in the late 90s, promising a paperless revolution. But here's the burning question. Dramatic music swells. Host, is the Newton available in the USA today? Cut to split screen. Left side shows sleek Newton device. Right side shows a modern smartphone. Host, V.O. Let's rewind a bit. Back in 1993, Apple, fresh off the success of the Macintosh, decided to tackle a new frontier, personal productivity. Enter the Newton MessagePad, a handheld device boasting a handwriting recognition system, a calendar, and note-taking capabilities. Cut to historical footage of Newton commercials. Narrator, archival footage. The Newton MessagePad. It's more than just a notepad. It's your personal assistant, always at your fingertips. Host, V.O. The idea was revolutionary. Imagine ditching bulky notebooks for a sleek device that could recognize your scrawls and organize your life. Futuristic, right? Cut back to Host, holding a Newton. Host, unfortunately, the Newton's execution wasn't quite as flawless as its vision. The handwriting recognition, while ambitious for the time, often fell short. Imagine trying to plan your entire day with an autocorrect that thinks meeting is actually mewing. Cut to humorous montage of Newton misinterpreting handwriting. Host, V.O. Despite its quirks, the Newton did have its fans. There was a certain charm to its unique design, and its early adoption of features like email and internet access foreshadowed the mobile revolution to come. Cut to interview segments with people reminiscing about their Newtons. Person 1, it wasn't perfect, but it was definitely ahead of its time. It felt like carrying the future in your pocket. Person 2, once I got the hang of the handwriting, the note-taking was actually pretty efficient. Host, V.O. However, the Newton's reign was short-lived. Technical issues, coupled with a hefty price tag, ultimately led to its demise in 1998. Cut to text overlay, Newton discontinued in 1998. Host, so, back to our original question. Can you get your hands on a Newton today? Dramatic music returns, slightly lighter. Host, the answer is, sort of. Cut to online marketplace displaying used Newtons. Host, V.O. Newtons are no longer in production, but you can find them online through vintage technology sellers and online marketplaces. Just be prepared for a hefty price tag, as these devices have become collector's items. Host, but here's the kicker, even if you manage to snag a used Newton, its functionality will be limited. The internet services and email capabilities are likely defunct. Cut to close-up of a frustrated user trying to connect a Newton. Host, V.O. So, while owning a Newton might be a cool piece of tech history, it wouldn't exactly be the productivity powerhouse you might have envisioned. Cut back to Host. Host, but hey, the story of the Newton is a valuable lesson. It reminds us of the ever-evolving landscape of technology and the constant push towards a more streamlined, organized future. Perhaps the Newton paved the way for the smartphones and tablets we rely on today. Cut to split screen of Newton and smartphone side by side. Host, V.O. Who knows, maybe someday we'll see a device that truly captures the magic of the Newton, with flawless recognition and intuitive features. Until then, we'll just